Harry is a verb that means to persistently attack, harass, or bother someone or something, often to the point of causing distress or exhaustion. It conveys a sense of relentless pressure, whether physical or psychological, and is often used in contexts involving conflict, pursuit, or annoyance. Origins of harry. The word harry comes from the Old English hergion, meaning to raid or to ravage, which is related to the Old Norse herja, to lay waste. It has roots in the historical context of warfare, particularly in the acts of raiding and pillaging during invasions. Over time, its meaning expanded to include persistent harassment in non-military contexts. How to use harry. Harry can be used to describe various forms of relentless attack or annoyance, whether literal or figurative. It often implies a sustained effort to disturb or wear someone down. Example sentences: the invading forces continued to harry the countryside, leaving destruction in their wake. She felt harried by the constant demands of her job and family responsibilities. Reporters harried the politician with questions as he tried to leave the conference. Similar words: harass, to subject someone to persistent and unwanted pressure or attacks. Pester, to trouble or annoy with repeated requests or interruptions. Besiege, to surround or overwhelm someone with demands or difficulties. Nuances of harry. The word harry carries a sense of relentlessness and aggression, often suggesting an intentional effort to disrupt or exhaust. While it has militaristic origins, its modern usage is broader, encompassing both literal attacks and figurative pressures, such as stress or persistent questioning. In essence, harry evokes a sense of unyielding pursuit or harassment, serving as a reminder of the toll that sustained pressure or conflict can take. It's a powerful word that highlights the persistence of effort, whether constructive or destructive. Subscribe.